Bismillah, alhamdulillah, assalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to lesson 18. We're going to introduce ourselves to Arabic verbs today, inshallah. Before we do, I want to give you a small quiz to test whether you are ready to move on to the verbs. So we have 4 questions. I'm going to read out the questions to you. What I need you to do is pause the video after each question and try to answer the question, inshallah. The first question is, name 2 parts of nominal sentences. Second question, name the 2 types of khabar we have studied so far. Third question, what are the Arabic pronouns for we, you all, male, and she? Question number 4, translate the following. A, the house is near and the mosque is far. B, the teacher is in the classroom. C, the bed is large and the chair is small. D, the pen is broken. E, the book is on the desk. Now, the answers are, number 1, the 2 parts of nominal sentences is mubtada and khabar. That's what we have learned so far. The second question is, the 2 types of khabar are one word, for example, al-baytu kabirun, the house is big. Kabirun is the khabar, one word. The second type is Muhammadun fil bayti. Muhammad is in the house. Fil bayti is jar majrur shibhu jumla khabar. This is the second type. The third question is, the pronoun for we is nahnu. The pronoun for you all male is antum. Pronoun for she is hiya. The translation of the first sentence, the house is near and the mosque is far, is al-baytu qaribun wal masjidu ba'idun. Second one, the teacher is in the classroom. Al-mudarrisu fil fasli. The third one, the bed is large and the chair is small. As-sariru kabirun wal kursiyu saghirun. The fourth one, the pen is broken. Al-qalamu maksurun. Last one, the book is on the desk. Al-kitabu alal maktabi. If you are able to answer most of these questions, then you are ready, inshallah, to move on to the verbs. If you were not able, then I believe you should go and review the previous lessons and do the right amount of practice as I suggested in each lesson, and then come back to this lesson, inshallah. The Arabic words, the nouns and the verbs, they stem from root words. And one root word could be used to derive many verbs and nouns and verbs. These root words are usually 3-letter verbs. Most of the time, there could be exceptions, but they're 3-letter verbs. And these 3-letter verbs have 3 qualities. They are all in past tense, they are singular, and they are masculine. Let's take a look at a couple of examples. The Arabic word for verb is fi'lun, which is the action someone is taking. And the one who takes the action is called fa'il, the doer. So for example, if we say he left or he exited, here the doer, the fa'il is he, and the action or the fi'l is left. So in Arabic, we could just say kharaja and it means he left. So you know the pronoun for he is huwa. We don't need to say huwa kharaja. We could say huwa kharaja, but if you just say kharaja, it would mean he left. Another example, the two verbs that we came across in the book thus far. The other one is dhahaba. Dhahaba, he went. So the doer is he and the action is went. So we have he, the doer, went is the action. In Arabic, we just say dhahaba, it means he went. Okay, now we have 14 different pronouns that we have studied so far. And for each pronoun, we have a different format of the verb. All right, now don't be overwhelmed. We are going to do enough practice to get a handle on the verbs and the pronouns. So here, the 14 pronouns, just to recall, they are huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. So if we take the two verbs that we have studied so far and put them in these 14 pronoun formats, we're going to find kharaja means he left. Kharaja, two of them left, male. Kharaju, three or more of the males left. Now this is spelled with this wow. Now there is an alif at the end, as you see. This is not pronounced. This is a spelling rule, which we will learn the details about it later. The next one is kharajat, she left. Kharajata, the two of the females left. Kharajna, the females, three or more, left. Kharajta, you, male, left. Kharajtuma, two of you male, left. Kharajtum, you all, left, three or more. Kharajti, you left, female. Kharajtuma, you two left. As you can see, the male and the female both are the same for the kharajtuma. So it could be two males, it could be two females, it could be one male and one female. Okay. Kharajtunna, you all, three or more females, left. Kharajtu, I left. Kharajna, we left. Similarly, if we do the same with the next verb, which is dhahaba, I'm going to just read them out. Dhahaba, dhahaba, dhahabu, dhahabat, dhahabata, dhahabna, dhahabta, dhahabtuma, dhahabtum, dhahabti, dhahabtuma, dhahabtunna, dhahabtu, dhahabna. Okay, now this is the first time you're exposed to Arabic verbs. If you feel a little bit overwhelmed, this is normal. And I promise you, inshallah, this will become very easy in just a few days. So for starters, what we want to do is we want to write these verbs, the two that I showed you, and two more. So we have done kharaja and dhahaba. Need you to do two more. Raja'a means he returned. Jalasa, it means he sat. So write all of these 14 formats for all of these four verbs and multiple times, 3 times each. You can write them more. The more times you write and you say it out loud, the better off you would be, inshallah. The more closer you'd be to fluency, inshallah. So with that, we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for help. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك واشهد ان لا اله الا انت استغفرك واتوب اليك والسلام عليكم ورحمه الله وبركاته.